animatronics. Now that being said, no new system is without its kinks. You see, there may be a minor glitch in the system, something about robots seeing you as an endoskeleton without its costume on, and wanting to stuff you into a suit. There's a music box over by the prize counter, and it's rigged to be wound up remotely. It doesn't seem to affect all of the animatronics, but it does affect one of them. And as for the rest of them, we have an even easier solution. We've given you an empty Freddy Fazbear head. Eventually, anything that wandered in will wander back out. Nothing else worth mentioning. By now, I'm sure you've noticed the older models sitting in the back room.
There's more of them?
Oh yeah, Foxy. Hey, listen. If for some reason he activates during the night, and you see him standing at the far end of the hall, just flash your light at him from time to time. Those older models would always get disoriented with bright lights. You would call the system restart or something. Check the lights, put on the Freddy head if you need to. Keep the music box wound up. Piece of cake. Have a good night, and I'll talk to you tomorrow.
The music box?